Hey y'all, it's Danielle with Large Family Homestead here. We got an Azure order a day ago. We didn't get to tape it right away, but we are taping it now. It is a smaller order for two reasons. A lot of our stuff did not come. Our raw cheese for like the 4th month did not come, and a whole bunch of produce did not come. Plus next month is supposed to be our big stock up. We do that about 2 or 3 times a year. So I didn't order as much this time, but I will show you what we got. So right there is a watermelon. We actually got 2 of these, but we ate one yesterday. They came to $13.52 each. This is the fruit and veggie variety pack. I'll give you a little peek, but you'll have to watch Brookie's video for that. And then over here we got 20 pounds of ginger gold apples. I had first tried ginger gold on our trip to the Appalachian Trail when I went to the orchard, and they were so good. Look at some of these, are really big actually. They're very good. That was 20 pounds for $35, so $1.75 a pound. See what's under that one. Oh, and then we have another 20-pound box of Bartlett pears. These are transitional, so I guess my understanding of the transitional is that the farm is following organic practices but has yet to be certified. So they were a little bit cheaper, but also very good quality. Good job, Azure. They came to $33.50 or $1.68 a pound. And then the cheese that I did get, not my raw cheese, but there is the 6 pounds of mozzarella. That was $23.51, $3.92 a pound. We'll shred that, use it for pizzas and things. And then I got 2 blocks of the calico cheese. I don't know what happened here. I thought it was supposed to be like 5 something a pound, but something got messed up and it came out to $1.15 a pound. So I think Azure messed up somewhere there, because when I went back on and looked, it is like $5, somewhere around $5 a pound. So that's not quite right, but I'm not going to complain. And then in this box is, oh, I cannot open it, 25 pounds of green bell peppers. My hope and plan with these is to dice them up and freeze them for meals and such. Thanks, Brooke. Look at them, they're nice too. Very nice. They came to $45.95 or $1.84 a pound. Then we have our 1 bag of alfalfa pellets as a treat for the cows. That was $29.94 or 75 cents a pound. And finally, I found this box of purple potatoes. Let's see, what did that come to? Oh, I don't see it on my list. Oh, there it is. That is 50-pound box of organic purple potatoes, $62.55 or $1.25 a pound. We are really looking forward to some purple mashed potatoes. So that was it for this month. Next month will be our big stock up order. And our total this month came to $321.29. So we had the $8 Azure cash, and they had sent me a survey that got me $10 off, and shipping added $26.65. So that's what we got. What did you get in your Azure order? Let us know, and we will talk to you soon.